Fluent English Practice. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Practice. Today, we'll learn common office English phrases that people often use in workplaces in the USA. These conversations will help you if you are starting a new job, working in an office, or just practicing English. At the end, tell us in the comments, which office phrase was most useful for you? We'll check and reply to you. Let's begin. Meeting a new colleague. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Is this your first day here?
Yes, I just joined today.
Welcome to the team. What's your name?
My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sophia. I work in the same department.
That's great. Happy to meet you.
What's your role here?
I'm the new office assistant.
Wonderful. How are you finding the office so far?
It looks professional and friendly.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
That's nice. Do you live nearby?
Yes, about 20 minutes away.
How do you usually commute?
I take the train every morning.
That's convenient. Do you have office experience?
Yes, I worked at a bank before.
Oh, really? What did you do there?
I manage schedules and customer records.
You must be very organized.
I try my best.
If you need any help, just ask me.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Great. Welcome again, Daniel.
Thanks, Sophia. Glad to be here.
Talking with your boss. Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is your first week going?
It's going very well. Thank you.
I have a few tasks for you today.
Sure, please let me know.
Can you prepare tomorrow's meeting schedule?
Yes, I prepare it right away.
Also, please print the monthly report.
Certainly, I'll do that.
Do you know how to use the new printer?
Not yet. Could you show me once?
Of course, I'll explain.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Can you also arrange the files in the cabinet?
Yes, I will organize them by department.
Perfect. And don't forget to send an email to the HR team.
Okay, I'll write the email after lunch.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, should I copy you in the email?
Yes, please copy me as well.
Got it. I'll do that.
Excellent. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
Preparing for a team meeting. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
We have a team meeting at 3 p.m.
Okay, I'll get everything ready.
Daniel, can you arrange the chairs?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Sophia, can you prepare the presentation slides?
Sure, I'll update them right away.
Daniel, please set up the projector.
Okay. I'll check the cables and screen.
Do we have enough copies of the agenda?
Not yet. I'll print 15 copies.
Good. Make sure the meeting room is clean.
I'll check it before the meeting.
Do you both have water bottles ready?
Yes, I'll place them on the table.
Thank you. Daniel, can you welcome the guest speaker?
Of course. I'll greet him at the reception.
Excellent. Sophia, do you have the budget report?
Yes, I saved it on the USB drive.
Perfect. Daniel, please check the microphone.
I'll test it right now.
Sophia, please send a reminder email to the staff.
Sure, I'll send it immediately.
Great teamwork. Everyone, let's make this meeting successful.
Yes, everything is set.
We are ready.
Team meeting. Good morning, team. Let's start the meeting.
Good morning.
Today we'll discuss the new project.
Sounds good.
Daniel, do you have any updates?
Yes. I finished the client report.
Excellent. Sophia, how about marketing?
The campaign is ready to launch.
Great work. Any challenges?
We need more content ideas.
Daniel, can you support Sophia?
Of course. I'd be happy to.
Perfect. Teamwork is important.
I agree.
Any other points?
Just one, about deadlines.
Go ahead.
We should set clear dates for tasks.
Good idea. Let's make a schedule.
That will help a lot.
All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Coffee break chat.
Hey, Daniel. Taking a break?
Yes. Just grabbing some coffee.
Same here. How's your day so far?
Busy, but going well.
What's your favorite part of the job?
Organizing tasks. I like planning.
That's useful. I enjoy creative work.
That's why we make a good team.
True. Do you usually eat lunch here?
Yes, I bring food from home.
Nice. I usually eat at the cafe.
Maybe I'll join you sometime.
Sure. That would be fun.
Great. Let's plan for tomorrow.
Deal. Now, back to work?
Yes, let's go.
Today, we practiced different office conversations you'll hear in workplaces in the USA. These dialogues will help you speak more confidently with your coworkers. Remember, practice a little every day. Thanks for watching Fluent English Practice. See you next time.